Wow, Nacho, the demonstrations you've got on both the AXIA and the NORMA here are absolutely fantastic. What are you trying to show?
This is a traveling column milling machine with automatic head changer. One 3+2 for the roughing cutting, and the other one 5-axis cutting for finishing operations. Okay, very precise, and especially for the aerospace applications. And the other one is a normal milling machine, bed type. This is a flexible solution for many customers to make many different parts. Okay, in this case with integrated rotary table and a 3+2 milling head, very flexible to make a lot of applications in a very precise way.
And of course, you can see those video machine reviews on the MTDCNC channel. But it's not just about the machines and the technology from Correa. It's also about working with customers. Now, how do you convince a customer to make such a big investment?
Yeah, it's a very huge investment for all the customers. That's why we try to always be close to the customer and first of all understand then what they need from Nicolas Correa and from the milling machine. Okay, we approach the customers always through local people, with our dealers, which share the same philosophy. And the most important for us is to listen the customer. Okay, from there we can make the configuration of the machine and then to start all the selling process. But first of all, listen the customer.
Absolutely. And they have to make a lot of research, though, on the kind of machines that you offer to make sure it's going to work with not only their components, but their work schedule, their production timings, what their customers require of them.
Yep.
There's a lot of work for the customer to do when they think about buying a Correa machine like this. How do you make that job easier?
We define a selling process. We have different documents, and of course, always through the local people, we usually give them all the documentation and training. Okay, it's very important to understand our product, to be able to explain the customer, and to understand the customer needs. Okay, it's important for us always to be close to the customer. The technical issues, once you understand what the customer is requiring, is very easy.
Today I'm with Mr. Kalender from Tamke Technics, and he's going to give us a few words about Correa.
Yeah, we met Correa first time 3 years ago, and we were very convinced because the whole team in Germany and especially in Burgos was very good, very helpful. The service was pretty good, and they answered all our questions in time, and so we had a very good feeling with Correa.
How many machines do you have right now?
We right now have one machine, one big AXIA 160, and we will receive two more machines, one Experta and one Phoenix. And so we have two subsidiaries, and so we want to have a Correa machine at each subsidiary because we want to have the same system, the same control, and so that our workers feel well and feel well with the machine. Yes, we have a hotline with Correa and with Mr. Dombrovsky from Correa in Germany. And so if we have a question, we always receive a very fast an answer or the support. And this is very good for us because for us this world with such a big machine is quite new. So from the first contact, it was everything was very professional. So especially then we visited Burgos in Spain, so the main factory, and so we had a very good feeling, and all the demonstrations of the machine, of the control, and everything was very professional, and so then we were convinced to buy this machine.
And we're not talking just about buying a Correa machine made in beautiful Basque country in Spain. It's not just about customers buying these machines who are in Spain. It's about the customers who are buying around the world.
In fact, we export 95-96% of our machines to the rest of the world. Of course, it's different. Okay, the customer in China is different to the customer in USA or France or Germany. That's why we prefer to go and to approach the customer with local people. They're our partners, and they help us to understand the philosophy of the customer and what is demanding all the time. But as we usually say, to approach the customer and to be part of the selling process, you need to take a flight, and to sit down face to face with the customer to understand well each other.
And once the machine has landed on someone's shop floor, how do they know that year on year they can rely on that machine to keep running and making good components?
We are always close to the customer. Okay, so once the machine is installed in the shop, our service guys are continuously talking with the customer. This is very important for us, service, to make the machine running all the time. In this whole process, Nicolas Correa people is close to the customer, talking with the customer, understanding the customer, and having the empathy with the customer.
Great. So that's Nicolas Correa, close to you wherever you are in the world.